Hi, welcome to Nepal Digital Education. In this video, we are going to run our fifth program. So let us look at the program. Write a program to print area and perimeter of rectangle. So we know that area of rectangle is given by L into B and perimeter of rectangle is given by 2L plus B. So we have area equal to L into B and perimeter equal to 2 then L plus B. So first of all I will print the area of rectangle, then again I will print perimeter of rectangle, then after that again I will print both area and perimeter of rectangle in one program. So have a look. So in first CLS, so our input in this program is L and B. So L is length of the rectangle and B is breadth of rectangle. So we need two input. So input enter your length. Suppose length is L. Input enter your breadth B. Suppose any variable A, B, P, Q, any variable. Yes, after input processing. So first of all I will print area of rectangle. So to print area, I write variable A for area equal to L into B. Then after processing output, for output we use print command to print the statement, that is area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is A. Our variable is for area A. Then in last end. So this is our program to print the area of rectangle. First of all, run this program. So suppose our length is 8 and breadth is 4. So 8 4 is 32. So area of rectangle is 32. So this is our output of the program. So it is what? Right. So I will print here perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter, suppose the variable P, perimeter equal to 2 L plus B, and right here perimeter of rectangle is, for perimeter our variable is what? P. So this is our program to print the perimeter of rectangle. So run it. So our length is 8 and B is 4. So perimeter of rectangle is 24. So this is our output of the program. Again I will print both area and perimeter in same program. So for area A equal to L into B. So print area of rectangle is A. This is our program to print area and perimeter of rectangle in same program. So run it. So length is 8 and B is 4. So area of rectangle is 0. So our program is wrong. So here, yes, here area, here L, area equal to L into B, perimeter 2 into L plus B. Yes, now it is right. So length is 8, B is 4. So area of rectangle is 32 and perimeter rectangle is 24. It is right. So save this program, click on file, click on save and write area perimeter dot BAS. So this is our program to print the area and perimeter rectangle in same program. So thank you for watching this video.